Hello and welcome. You guys already having complete idea about snapshot, right? So the idea of snapshot is all about creating new volume and backup of volume. Now, when we are creating volume from our snapshot, right, it is actually, for us, it is very straightforward process and it is actually very fast. Why it is fast in our case? Because we are actually having small size of snapshot. In the real world scenario, you have EBS volume in terabyte. Now, if you have snapshot of this kind of terabyte volume, obviously the size of the snapshot will be bigger as well. Now, in this case, if you are going to create volume from large size snapshot, it will take too much time to create volume. Now, if you have some mission critical data running over there and if you want to speed up this restoration process, you can use fast restore option of snapshot. In normal circumstances, if you have small size of volume, this feature doesn't require anything, like you do not need to enable this. But yes, if you have big volume and then you want to you have big snapshot and you want to restore this and you want to immediately use your volume, in this case you can enable this feature. Why I'm telling you about you should not enable this feature if it is not required? Because this is paid feature and you have to enable this feature per availability zone. So let's go with this and let's understand how the things are working. So right now I am on my AWS console and I'm going to this snapshot, right? So I have this one snapshot available. Now if I'm going to select this and going to action menu, see here you will get manage fast snapshot restore. Now when you are going to enable this, okay, right now it is disabled, so you have to enable this. Now suppose if I am going to enable this, it is asking me that do you want to enable, and see additional charges apply. Fast snapshot restore is billed per minute with a 1 hour minimum for each availability zone in which it is enabled. So I am not going to enable this, but yes, you have to remember this, that when we are having some mission critical applications and we have snapshot of this and we want to create large volume.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.